This is how to transfer an RRSP from the National Bank over to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple, at the bottom, press the icon with the arrows, then scroll down to Accounts and press Transfer Account to Wealthsimple. Press Get Started. Now, you might find National Bank under Most Popular. You might not if you don't see it, which in my case I don't. Just search for it by pressing on the search bar, typing in National Bank, and then press on National Bank of Canada. You can then select where the investment account is located, so I will just do the National Bank Direct Brokerage as an example and press Next. You can then sign into the National Bank through the app by pressing on Next for a faster experience, or you can go to the bottom and edit the information manually, which is what I will be doing for this example. Make sure that the RRSP is selected and then press Next, and then type in your account number and follow any steps that may follow to get the transfer started. So that is how to transfer an RRSP account from National Bank to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.